Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook emails stuck in Outbox. If you've ever noticed messages just sitting there refusing to send, this tutorial will help you resolve that issue quickly. Let's dive right in. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. Make sure you're fully signed in and that all your folders have finished syncing. This initial step is important because you need to see the current state of your Outbox to diagnose the problem. Once your email has been loaded, navigate to your inbox pane where all your emails and email folders are located. This is typically on the left side of your screen. From here, click on your Outbox folder. This folder holds any messages that are queued up to be sent but haven't gone through yet. If you're seeing emails being stuck in your Outbox, there are a couple of reasons why this might be happening. It could be that the sending process was interrupted, perhaps due to an unstable internet connection or a temporary network issue. Another possible reason is that these emails are scheduled emails, meaning they're set to be sent at a specific time and are simply waiting for that moment to arrive. However, the most common culprit is often the work offline mode being accidentally enabled. To fix this, you need to make sure that the work offline option is toggled off. Head over to the Send/Receive tab at the top of your Outlook window. This tab contains all the settings related to sending and receiving emails. Once you're in the Send/Receive tab, look for the option labeled Work Offline. If this option is currently enabled or highlighted, it means Outlook is not attempting to connect to the server to send your emails. Simply click on Work Offline to toggle it off. As soon as you do this, Outlook will reconnect to your email server and begin processing any messages stuck in your Outbox. You should see your emails start to move out of the Outbox and into your Sent Items folder within a few moments. If they don't send immediately, give it a minute or two, especially if you have a slower internet connection. The messages should clear out on their own once the connection is reestablished. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the issue with emails stuck in your Outlook Outbox. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.